Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to remove background from a photo on iPhone. So right now I will show you the easiest way to easily remove any photo background on your iPhone without downloading any app. So I'm going to my iPhone settings to show you which iOS version currently I'm using on my iPhone. So here going to general and tapping on about, and as you can see currently I'm using iOS version 17.3. Okay, now go to your Photos app and open the photo you want to remove background. And now first of all we have to save the photo in our Files app. So tap on the share icon and here tap on Save to Files. And now select a folder to save your photo. I'm selecting JPG folder and saving the photo. And now go to your Files app and just go to the folder where you just saved your photo. And here we can see the photo. Now hard press on the photo and tap on Quick Actions. And here you will find this Remove Background option. Now just tap on that and it will remove your photo background in just one click. And here we can see the result. As you can see, iPhone accurately removed my photo background. And once you successfully removed the photo background, now you can save the photo in your Photos app again. To do that, tap on the share icon and just tap on Save Image. Go to your Photos app and here you will see the photo. So this is how we can actually remove any photo background on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.